What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and also hit that bell for notifications. That way each video I send out, you get up-to-date information when I send it out. I had a couple questions sent to me through Facebook, and I thought it'd be a good time to add a video and answer these questions. The first one: hi, Brian. I have 12 items that are reporting negatively on my credit reports. Do I dispute them all in one letter or in several different letters? Good question. You want to only dispute up to 5 items. If you dispute more than 5 items, the highly chances of them throwing it out and saying it was frivolous is about a 90% chance. There have been some people that have put more than 5 items and it worked for them, but a lot of people, it gets thrown out, and it's not good to do that because it does look frivolous whenever you send so many in at one. You have a letter and it's nothing but negative items, dispute. It looks frivolous. So you never want to dispute more than 3 to 5 in each letter. Next question I have: how long does it take to for the credit repair process? Well, that's a great question too. Okay, this is a timely, about 4 to 6 months, and everybody's different. Some people have just a few things, some people have a lot of things. I would say anywhere from 4 to 6 months. I mean, if it's very bad and you have uh, a load of negative items, it could even go past 6 months. But see, each letter that you send off, like when we send our first letter off, we want them to verify things. It takes 30 days for them to respond. And then, depending on what we get back from them, it could be they verified it. It could be that it was deleted off the credit reports. And then we know what to do to go to round 2. And each round, it's going to be about 30 days or more because the credit bureaus have 30 days to respond. And it's just time consuming. But the good thing is once it's off your credit reports, if they're not putting this information out there accurately, if they're not verifying it and you catch them, I mean, they got to remove this stuff. I mean, what we're doing is we're using the law in our favor. I mean, your credit card company, your car loans, your banks, they hold you accountable each month when your payments due, and if not, they put a bad mark on your credit report. Well, this right here is holding them accountable. Make sure they're reporting correctly in the right manner to the credit bureaus, the credit agencies, and 90% of the time, the verification that they do, I mean, credit agencies have to have the original copy of the original documents that you sign, and they're just verifying this just off a whim or just by off the e-Oscar system, and it's just crazy. They're not verifying it by legal manners, legal ways that they're supposed to. They're like using codes. Whenever you send a letter in, it gets put in these codes, and it's not like a real person verifying this, and it has to be a real person verifying it. And we get down to this, we have letters for all of this. How do they validate this account? We want to know. And if they don't respond within 30 days, and if they don't show us, they might send a bill. You know what? Anybody can make bills up and say, hey, this is a bill of yours you owe. No, they have to show you the original contract that you signed. And if they don't, they must delete. late pays. If they cannot show the original document you signed, must delete. Hospital payments, delete. If they're not reporting this information right, delete, delete, delete. And this is your right under the Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. It doesn't care whether the negative item is valid or not. The letters only dispute the credit reporting agency's right to report the adverse account. And if they're reporting it legally. Right here at creditrepairhelp247.com, I have put together a do-it-yourself kit that if you don't want to hire my services for us to do it for you, I have a do-it-yourself kit right here. creditrepairhelp247.com. Again, it's creditrepairhelp247.com. This is the site right here. It's a video. I would watch that. And it shows that how we dispute items and the laws that we use. It's do-it-yourself kit. You get dispute letters, powerful tools, help heal your credit, student loans, bankruptcies, tax liens, charge-offs, repossessions, medical bills, foreclosures, collections. Use our letters. If they cannot prove this to you, if they cannot validate this to you, must be deleted. Student loans, delete. Bankruptcies, delete. Tax liens, delete. Charge-offs, delete. Repossessions, delete. Medical bills, delete. Foreclosures, delete. Collections, delete. They have to prove this. And if they're not reporting this to the credit bureaus, the credit agencies, and if they don't have it, the credit agencies don't have this copy of this, and if they can't validate it, it must be deleted. And we're good at this. And if you want to do it yourself, that's fine too. Right here's the packages that I have. I have a basic package, standard package, and advanced package. The basic package is 609 dispute letters. Even if you have medical bills on your credit reports that are reporting bad, let me tell you this right here. Did you sign a HIPAA release for these credit agencies to look at your medical records? I'm pretty sure you didn't. So it's illegal for them by the HIPAA law to report this. And we now the reason why we send off letter 1 to validate this is it comes back verified, and then we want to know how they verify it. And when they send us a copy of anything, of bills, the x-rays, or anything, if they're in a HIPAA law violation, and they must delete it. If they do not delete it, you can take them to court and get you $1,000. Seen it done. Happens every day. And these attorneys that do this, they don't charge. They charge you off of what they, they'll do it for you for free. But if they win, they take a portion of it. And normally don't have to get that far, but sometimes I've seen it happen. But as long as you keep a paper trail, get these letters notarized and send off certified mail, keep your paper trail, and then keep every item letter that they send back to you, you will win. No problem. This is what's in this package right here, this kit, this do-it-yourself kit. You got everything. And then we have the standard package right here. So one-time payment of $27, and you get everything in the basic package. Plus you get, if you have a lot of hard inquiry disputes, a lot of hard inquiries, we have dispute letters for that. Student loans, we have dispute for that. Medical, we have disputes for that. Bankruptcies, get those deleted, deleted, deleted. If they can't prove it, they must delete it. All right, and then we have the advanced package where it's $69 monthly. We do it for you. Some people just don't have the time to do this. It is a lot of educational things that you need to learn, but basically if you have this do-it-yourself package, it'll take you straight through it, tells you how to do it, what to send, has everything you need. And plus, you got contact with me through my Facebook 24/7. Just send me a message. I'll be glad to help. Now also, for the $69 monthly, what I am offering, I'm offering a free credit audit. Normally people charge $249 for these credit audits right here. But if you go to Credit Repair Rescore, and everything that we talk about is under this video in the description page, I can get you a free credit consultation with the in-depth credit analysis, credit audit. It shows you where you stand with your credit, what you owe, what's showing negatively, collections, medical bills, and it's absolutely free. We go over it, and then from there you can take the choice of hiring us to do the credit repair for you, or picking one of our kits out and do it yourself. And you always have help if you need to send me a message, if you have a question or anything, I'd be glad to answer it. But this free credit audit is professional. It's nobody has this that I know of, except some of the top firms out there, and they're charging $249. I'm doing this as a gift just to show you where you stand with your credit and the things that you need to do. We also give advice on trade lines to put on your credit to help boost your credit score and to get you a good paying history, because that's what people want to see when you go apply for credit. They want to see that you have a history of good credit. And there's some places out there, it's called piggybacking. I'm not going to get into that now, but you basically buy a trade line from somebody who has an established trade line history. They add you onto it. There's companies out here that you can pay for this, and that whole history goes all the way to your credit reports. So if that card or that merchant account was open for 5 years, say $50,000 limit, it was good paying history and everything, there's a company, they'll let you pay the price, and they'll put you on that card or whatever. I mean, you don't get to spend the money, you don't get the card, but they'll put you on it, and then that reporting history goes all the way to your credit report and shows you in good history since that card or whatever trade line has been open. It's called piggybacking. It's 100% legal. People do it all the time. But I'm Brian Cobb. I am the Credit Repair Rescore admin for your credit repair needs. All right, I'm out of here. I'll see you in the next video.